Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver. Join me on this South Jersey day as we make a bike rack out of basically just 2x4s, chop saw, drill, and wood screws.
We got 1.5, 2.5, and 4-inch screws, coated or galvanized, some Phillips, some Torx/backs, drills enough for seamless pilot hole, as well as drivers of all types, and waterproof wood glue for extra credit. The first step is to assemble this top long 90-degree portion. So you want to measure and cut the 4 6-foot lengths you'll need for one 5-bike 6-foot bike rack. Find a nice flat surface, drill some pilot holes, and then use the middle size 2.5-inch screws to put 2 and 2 together. I use screws in both ends and then some in the middle. The second major step is to add the 3 posts that go straight down from the 6-foot ledge just created. They measure 26 inches and you'll need to cut 3 of them. Easy straight 90 cuts. These go in easy, the ends anyway. I used 2 screws per, the 2.5-inch ones. I just put them on a corner somewhere. Prop up the loose end, and then I'll explain how to get the measurement for the middle one. "30 3/4 inches is the empty space in between the down slats. It's because you start with 72 and 2x4s are actually 3.5. Next is to add this bottom 6-foot for a rough S shape.
Oh, look at this. The whole back frame is done.
Cocktail peanuts, then H&M getting salmon.
Constructing the base is next. It's 3 33-inch feet screwed square to your last 6-foot with the same spacing as the first part. If you don't have a local beach with bike rack to reference, this is a free protractor from osman.com/protractor. No joke. And the angles are 39 and 46. Not sure if they should add up to 90 to make 180 with the right angle 90 on the third corner, but 39 and 46 are what's measured and what works in the real world. The longer side is 34 inches. With that measurement and the two angles, you should be able to make your slats. You need 10 in total. Maybe there's a better way to do it, but the 46 was a little bit too big of an angle for the miter box, so it wasn't quite flush. It was a little trickier. Not too bad though. So get one done, use it as a template, and then you should be able to fit 3 for board. And if you can, have one cut touch 2 boards. Alternate like. This is the home stretch. Add the slats, starting with the outside 2 first. And this is where you use the 1.5-inch shortest wood screws on the edges, on the very tippy points. Also, to shore it up, I used the 2.5-inch screw further inward where I could take it. Now for the middle set. There's roughly 5 feet in between the 2 outer sets. So make a middle mark of that 5 feet and go 1.5 inches in each direction off the middle mark. There's 28.5 inches in between sets of slats. That means your midpoint is 14.25. Ultimate last step is to just add any screws to shore up anywhere you think necessary, and the 2 4-inch screws are for these end sandwiches.
Thanks for joining me on this lovely fall South Jersey day for this bike rack build. Let me know if you end up building one yourselves and or need any help. All right, this is Alex Daly signing off.
What you're rebuilding?
Oh, another nice bike rack there.
Oh,
Yeah, some of these bicycles with all the visitors. Making a little how-to video as well.
okay.
Yeah, you know YouTube. I put some car stuff on YouTube and hundreds of people watch it.
Oh,
So see that? I made that one 2 weeks ago.
yeah.
It's the same as the municipal design. So I just stole the municipal design. And yeah, exactly. It'll match. And then, you know, some basic elementary school engineering.
Right.
Yeah. So look at this.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, look at that beautiful production.
You got, you know, I don't see.
Yeah, I think I'll just hit them with, I appreciate the offer, but we have both the plug-in and a battery quarter sheet. So, yeah, I see where you're going. Just hit it with the sander on these, but otherwise.